Hello and welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll be showing you how I brine a whole chicken to roast. So I'll probably split this video into two, one that shows the brine, one that shows the cooking process. Okay, so I've got a whole chicken. Okay, and I'm just going to go through my aromatics for my brine. So I've got some cloves, some celery, onion, orange, some ginger, lemon. I don't have lime, but if you've got lime instead of lemon, you could use that. I've got some garlic, thyme, and some rosemary. Then I have some cinnamon sticks, pimento seeds, sea salt, and some brown sugar. So let's get into this video. I'm going to put the chicken to one side. So I'm just going to measure out 1/6 cup of sea salt. I think that's about 1/6 of a cup. And I'm going to add some brown sugar. There's the same amount, about 1/6 of a cup. Okay, so I'm just going to add a little bit of boiling water just to dissolve the salt and the sugar. Okay, so I'm just going to mix that in. While that's dissolving, just going to get my aromatics ready. So have some onion here. Okay, I'm just going to cut this into wedges. Okay, I'm going to use half of this orange. I'm also going to cut this into wedges. Okay, then I'm going to get some lemon. Also going to cut this into some wedges. Okay, and then some ginger. I'm not going to peel it. That's just some pieces. Then I'm going to put some garlic. Okay. Okay, so I've just rinsed all of these. Okay, so going to add the clove. Cinnamon stick. I'm just going to break this up. Some pimento seed. Okay, so that looks nice and dissolved. Just going to add some cold water. Okay, so that looks good. Okay, so just going to put in lemon, my orange, garlic, onion, ginger, got some celery. Also gonna add some rosemary and some thyme. That's rosemary. Okay, and that's some thyme. Okay, so that's what the brine looks like. Just going to add my chicken. Okay, so just putting the chicken in now. Just going to wash my hands. Okay, so I'm just going to put the chicken belly down. I might put a little bit more water so that it covers the top. Okay, and that's how the brine is done. I'm just going to cover it with plastic, leave it in the fridge for about 12 hours. Sometimes I brine overnight, but I want to season it before I roast it tomorrow. So that's the chicken. Welcome back. So my chicken has been brining for about 12 hours now, and I'm just going to season it. Okay, so I've got my green seasoning here, and I've got some sazón, complete, adobo, some smoked paprika, some black pepper, then I have some chili flakes and some food accent. One teaspoon of complete, and then I'll put some pepper flakes, I should have used the teaspoon, but I think that's good. That's my dry seasonings. Okay, so I'm just going to strain this off. I'm using a strainer to strain off the aromatics. Because what I'll do, I'll rinse them and then put them inside the chicken to marinate, and then put the chicken in the fridge. Okay, so I'm just going to rinse this bowl. Okay, so that's the chicken. Okay, so I'm going to use one glove. Okay, so just going to rub this on. Okay, and rub some on the inside. Okay, so I'm just going to put 1 spoon of my green seasoning. Okay, so that's seasoned now. What I'm going to do, I've rinsed these off. I'm just going to stuff these in the cavity of the chicken. So the orange, lemon, garlic, rosemary. Okay, so that's stuffed on the inside. Just going to put these on the base. Okay, so that's the chicken done. I'm just going to cover it with some plastic wrap. Okay, and that's my chicken seasoned. So thank you for watching. Let me know if you try this brine. In my next video, I will be showing you how I roast this chicken. So stay tuned. See you later. Bye.